Welcome to Savage Mind Narrator. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button. This is where we dive deep into the mind, emotions, and what it takes to stay unshaken. Imagine this. Someone insults you, disrespects you, tries to push your buttons, and you feel nothing. Not anger, not frustration, just calm. Sounds impossible? It's not. It's a skill, and you're about to learn it. Here's the truth most people never realize. Anger isn't caused by what others do. It's caused by what you think about what they do. Someone cuts you off in traffic. That's just an action. Your anger comes from the story you tell yourself. They disrespected me. They think they're better than me. They did it on purpose. But what if they didn't even see you? What if they're rushing to the hospital? What if they're just a bad driver? The event is neutral. Your interpretation creates the emotion. So here's the shift that changes everything. Stop taking things personally. Most people's actions have nothing to do with you. They're reacting to their own pain, their own stress, their own insecurities. You just happen to be there. When you understand this, you become untouchable. Psychology shows us something powerful. Your emotional reactions are habits. You've trained yourself to respond with anger in certain situations, but habits can be retrained. It's called emotional conditioning. Every time you react with anger, you strengthen that neural pathway. Every time you choose calm, you build a new one. Here's another fact. Anger is a secondary emotion. It's a mask for something deeper: fear, hurt, feeling disrespected or powerless. When someone bothers you, ask yourself, what am I really feeling underneath this anger? Usually, it's your ego being threatened, and the ego is fragile. It needs constant validation, constant protection. But when you stop identifying with your ego, nothing can shake you, because you're not defending an image anymore. You're just existing, observing, responding when necessary, but never reacting from a place of emotional chaos. Here's what strong people understand. You can't control what others do. You can only control how you respond. Someone tries to provoke you? That's their choice. Getting angry? That's yours. And here's the powerful part. When you refuse to react, you take away their power. People who try to bother you are seeking a reaction. They feed on your anger, your frustration, your attention. When you give them nothing, they lose interest. They move on. You win without fighting. This doesn't mean you become a doormat. It means you respond from a place of strength, not emotion. You set boundaries calmly. You walk away from toxicity without drama. You protect your peace without proving anything. Real power is staying calm when everyone expects you to explode. Start practicing this today. When someone does something that would normally anger you, pause. Take a breath. Ask yourself, is this worth my peace? Most of the time, it's not. Train yourself to see people's behavior as information, not attacks. They're showing you who they are. That's useful, but it doesn't have to disturb you. The goal isn't to suppress your emotions. It's to understand them, to recognize when your ego is being triggered, to choose your response instead of being controlled by automatic reactions. This takes practice. You won't master it overnight, but every time you choose calm over chaos, you get stronger. Every time you refuse to let someone pull you into their drama, you reclaim your power. You become someone who can't be shaken, someone who moves through life undisturbed, not because nothing bothers you, but because you've trained yourself not to give your energy to things that don't matter. Anger is a leash, and most people hand it to everyone they meet. Take yours back. Guard your peace like it's the most valuable thing you own, because it is. You don't need to react to everything. Sometimes the most powerful response is none at all. Stay silent, stay aware, stay growing.